Today, I will share a recipe for pulling out shredded sweet potatoes. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Cut off the outer skin of a piece of sweet potato. Deep failure in cutting the track into roller blocks with props. Put it into a basin filled with clean water, wash it thoroughly, and control the water level during granulation. Pour the empty and warm sweet potatoes into a bowl and sprinkle with cornstarch. Starch improvement quickly reaches a dry and anhydrous state. Let's take a plate and sprinkle it on top in advance until cooked. Plant oil to prevent heat stroke and cassava sticking to plates. Next, let's deep fry the sweet potato chunks. When there is a spoon smoking, when cooking oil in the pot, that is, when there is 5 liters of oil. During the process of pouring sweet potato chunks and smashing them, keep flipping them over. Prevent sweet potato chunks from sticking together during the smashing process. If the sweet potato residue is hardened to a golden color, it will be used by both the old and the rough. Next, let's look at the soup. Oil soup, Zeng Yi. Today, let's use water to make my soup. Add 1 tablespoon of water to the pot and pour in 1 tablespoon of white sugar. It's best to turn on a low flame during this process and be patient while simmering. Keep stirring the sugar with a spoon, and don't be impatient with the fire. Boil other bubbles over low heat, then turn the larger bubbles into smaller ones. When the jar becomes sticky and turns yellow, pour in the fried red candle and flip it quickly. Observe and change the jar to sweet potatoes so that it can be cooked and served on a plate. Here's the sweet potato coat for finishing the rice. We picked up a piece of sweet potato with chopsticks and slowly pulled it up. The shot can slowly grow longer. It's best to have a bowl of water next to you when eating. Take some of this sweet potato in clean water before eating. At the same time as cooling down, the taste is more refreshing and crisp. Adults must try the temperature before giving it to children to avoid burning their lips. Okay, this simple and delicious dish is made with sweet potatoes.